Hey guys, so I got a lot of questions from all of you asking what's happening to Metrobank. So this video is dedicated to all those who sent those questions to give you clarity, to give you insight, and to give you information. Please remember this, that in the world of stock investing, it's all about processing the data properly and not reacting based on emotion. So for those who ask questions about Metrobank, this video is for you. Check this out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated every time I create new content about the stock market. I create 1 or 2 videos every day to give you insights on how you can trade the markets with confidence. So enjoy the rest of the video. Hey guys, I'm making this video because I got hundreds of messages via my social media platforms asking what's happening to the stock price of Metrobank. Stay till the end so that I can show you also what's happening to the chart, the price adjustment on the chart, what happened, why the stock price of Metrobank went down via technical analysis. But to give you an explanation first on what's happening to Metrobank, first of all, I got questions that why is Metrobank stock down, its income is up? Shouldn't it be the other way around? Shouldn't Metrobank do better? Shouldn't the stock go up because the income is much better than where it was before? Then I got questions: is there something wrong? Are they losing money? Is there forward speculation of bad things happening to the stock? Here's the thing, guys. Please remember this: the only reason why Metrobank is down, it's primarily because it's the X date of the stock. Meaning, please remember, there was a disclosure a few days and weeks ago that Metrobank was giving a stock dividend. Please remember this, regardless if it's a cash dividend or a stock dividend, stocks normally go down on the date of the X date. That's just the way it goes. And they normally go down in proportion to the cash that's given. If the dividend yield is given around 5%, then you can expect also a drop almost similar to that. If the stock dividend given is around 10%, 13%, 15%, 20%, 50%, 100%, regardless of what it is, the stock always goes down in proportion to the amount of percentage that's also given at. So that's normal. That's how it goes for those who logged into their portfolios and saw their stocks down because they suddenly saw it here at a certain level a few days ago, then now it's over here. Please remember that will adjust once the dividends are given during the payment date. So please remember, this will happen over the next few days. In November, your stocks will adjust as well. Please remember, when that is given also, your stocks will be back to where it was before. It will just be dependent though also. Please remember, from now up until November, the stock price of Metrobank will also move. If Metrobank pushes up over the next few days, plus the number of shares that you will get, then your portfolio should be up by the time the shares are given. But if the stock continues to go down, of course, even if you have additional shares, the stock price will also be down as well. But I just want to tell you that there's nothing to be scared about. You're not supposed to be scared when things like this happen. It's normal. It's part of the game. Stocks normally go down when stock dividends are given. Stocks normally go down at the X date of when dividends are given as well. Now, people are also asking, has this changed the company as well? Is the company actually cheaper now because of the stock dividend? Please remember, having a lower stock price does not make the stock cheaper, does not make the company cheaper as well. Please remember, when they gave extra shares, it made the stock diluted. Meaning, if it's a pizza, it used to be 8 slices, now it's 9, now it's 10, now it's 11. It's just the same pizza. It doesn't make it cheaper. It just makes it, you are sharing more slices with more people. Your slice became, you have more slices of pizza, but you have to think about it this way. You have more slices, but the per unit size of your pizza became smaller. And that's what happens also when when companies give out stock dividends. You will have more shares, but the unit or the size of the share that you are having becomes smaller because of dilution as well. People are asking also, why do companies also give out stock dividends? Please remember, it's a way for companies to reward shareholders without them shelling out cash. When companies give out cash dividends, it takes out money from their free cash flow. It takes out money from something that they could also use as well. So if they want to reward shareholders with an amount of with giving them an option that they can, because you have to remember this, if they give you a stock dividend later on, you can sell that. If they give you a stock dividend later on, you can use that shares, sell it. Should the price become higher, you have the option to sell and take profits off of it. If they give you a cash dividend, it's already yours, it's already cash. Now you have the option to take it out from your broker or actually use it to buy more stocks as well. So that being said, people are asking me, what do I like more? Do I like a cash dividend more? Do I like a stock dividend more? Honestly, I'm in it for cash flow. I like cash dividends more than stock dividends. As what I've mentioned earlier, it gives dilution. I'm not a big fan of dilution. So for those who know about the formula of EPS, more shares make the EPS also smaller as well. Hence, making the value of the company, making the value also of the shares relatively cheaper as well. So it does not mean that the stock is low, it becomes cheaper. It just also means that because of the dilution, you will have a lower price. So why am I saying this? When your shares come in, when the payment date comes in, you will have the shares that you asked for. You will have the shares that are awarded to you based on the stock dividend. So I guess that's it for now. That answers the question of, is Metrobank in trouble? No, it's not. Metrobank, as what they disclosed a few days ago, their income is doing well. They're crushing it for the past quarter. It's something that's very, very, very good for them on an income level. Please remember, again, at the end of the day, when it comes to looking at the company, looking at businesses, looking at listed companies, it will always go back on how much they earn. It will always go back on how consistent they are earning. Because if they are earning consistently and they are doing well, companies, stock investors, stock traders, fund managers always follow profits. If the income is doing well, if the company is doing well, if the company is healthy, you should not be scared of any particular drops. So this removes any misconceptions that Metrobank is bad. Is there something wrong with Metrobank? Is there something that you should be scared of? I'm here to tell you, it's part of the game. It's normal. It's something that you should know also. These are the basic things also that you should know if you are investing in the markets. Now, for those who are staying for the charts, here you go. Hey guys, so this is the chart of Metrobank. As you can see, last Friday, the stock was above 70 plus. Then, because of the X date of the dividends, you saw the stock start to go down and be around 65 pesos per share. So this is how it looks like for charts that have not adjusted. You will generally see that the stock has dropped from where it was before. You will also generally see that the stock is lower already from the support there. Has already adjusted in terms of the price movement. Please remember, the drop of the stock is not really because of anything fundamentally. The drop of the stock is not anything. It does not have anything to do with supply and demand. It doesn't have anything to do with if there's anything wrong with the company. It's just really an adjustment of price because of the dilution brought about by the stock dividend that was given. And as you can see here, because of the adjustment, everything already looks coherent already. You see the stock continue to still move up. You see the stock still continue to push up. As you all know, because of the adjustment, what used to be around 70 is now around the 65 level. So one thing that we can look at from the chart is the support now is at 55.5. It broke past it right here in the right hand corner. It broke past it around the 62.15 level. After breaking past that, it's now pushing through and moving up still. So that being said, with the adjustment, the next target is at 66.68. We are still pushing towards that level. The stock MBT is still pushing toward the 66.68 level. Breakout from the 66.68 level will bring it to 69.29 level for the short term. So that's how it will most likely go. Resistance now is 66.68. Failure to break 66.8. You could possibly see a retracement to 62.15. 62.15 does not hold. It could drop to 58.53. 62.15 holds. You can see MBT just oscillate and move from 62.15 to 68.68. Hope you guys learned a lot. I hope this is something that added an additional layer of insight to all of you. For those who have always been following me up to the end of my videos, thank you so much. It's always an honor, to be part of your journey towards financial freedom. And the reason why I keep pushing and making videos is I've been receiving so many messages from you guys that you guys have been doing well. Some of you have been earning more based on the videos that we have been creating as well. So comment Metrobank if you guys learned a lot from this. Comment MBP if this is something that has been helpful for you. And for those who want to learn more from our seminars, the links are down below. I have 3 events left: Davao, Singapore, and Manila. And for those who want to order my books, I have a Shopee account. Link is down below for those who want to grab a copy of the book. So that's it for now. We've answered what happened to Metrobank. We've also answered what the charts are telling us for Metrobank as well. So this is Marvin Gerbo. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all in Singapore next week, and God bless you all.